Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to download the Twitter app on your mobile phone. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Unlock your mobile device and navigate to the App Store. If you're using an Android, it's the Google Play Store. Step 2. Once you're in the App Store, simply type Twitter into the search bar and hit Enter. Step 3. You'll see the official Twitter app appear in the search results. It's usually the first result. You will see a black color logo with an X written, but don't worry, because Twitter logo has been changed. This is Twitter. Click on it to open the app page. Step 4. On the app page, you'll find information about the app, reviews, and screenshots. Look for the Install button and click on it. Step 5. The app will begin to download and install on your device. The time it takes will depend on your internet connection speed. Step 6. Once the app is installed, open it from your home screen or app drawer. Step 7. If you're new to Twitter, you can click on Create Account to create an account. I have already an account, so I click on the Continue with Google and select my account. Congratulations, you've successfully downloaded and set up Twitter on your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials and guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.